Thanks for calling, sir. May I help you?
I want a sandwich.
You want sandwich?
Yeah.
Okay. What kind of sandwich you want?
I want a foot long.
You want a foot long? What kind of bread?
Excuse me? Did you say veg?
Foot long Philly cheese steak?
Philly cheesesteak, you mean?
You want Philly cheese steak?
Does that come with bacon?
Add with bacon?
Does it come with
Add
bacon?
with bacon. Philly cheese steak is $8.49 and for bacon $1 extra.
$1 extra for just one ingredient?
And what kind of bread you want?
You Jew? What kind of bread do you
Hello?
have? What kind of
We
bread do
have
you
wheat,
have?
white, honey oat, what kind?
Dick bread.
Wheat.
Dick.
So 1 foot long wheat, Philly cheese steak, add
No,
with
dick,
bacon
not
and
wheat. No. No, not wheat bread, dick bread.
wheat bread you say, right?
No. Are you black?
A honey oat, Italian, flat bread, what kind you want? You
Deek.
want white?
Deek.
I mean, we don't have that kind of bread. We have wheat, honey oat, Italian herb and cheese, honey oat,
I'm allergic to all of those.
and sourdough and flat bread.
It makes me... I can't eat any of that bread. It makes me take giant buffalo shits if I do. Do you guys sell french fries though then? Do you have french fries?
I'm sorry?
French fries?
One Philly
French fri-
cheese steak.
No,
one
no
pan
Philly
Holland.
cheese. No Philly cheesesteak. No Philly
What kind you
cheesesteak.
want?
No, I don't want a Philly cheesesteak.
What kind of you want?
Do you have french fries?
We don't have french fries. Sorry, we don't have french fries.
Then do you have fried Jews?
No.
Extra crispy?
No.
Why not then?
I mean, we don't have that kind.
How many Jews can you bake in 1 hour?
I mean, we have, only the wheat, white, Italian herb and cheese bread.
No, I don't
And
want
then
the
we
Philly
don't have
cheesesteak
that.
anymore. Cancel that order.
What kind of you want, sir?
Can you bake my Jews?
We
I
don't
wanna
have. We don't have that.
If I ask you anything, can I pay it with pennies?
Hold on. Hi, nephew. Excuse me? Excuse me.
If I order something, can I pay with pennies?
Okay, you come here. Because I don't understand you say. You come, you choice, okay?
I can't come.